Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York. We are back in New Jersey. We're going to check out the Atlantic City Hard Rock Hotel and Casino today. It's been a while since I've been here, and I used to come here a lot when it was the Taj Mahal, the Trump Taj Mahal. It turned into the Hard Rock, I'm going to say about 2 years ago, and it's become very popular since then. It opened the same day as the Ocean Resort Hotel and Casino right next door. And although not as many people are visiting now as was prior to the pandemic, the hotel and casino still remains pretty popular as far as the amount of people coming and going compared to other casinos on the Boardwalk here in Atlantic City, even though there's a capacity limit on the number of people allowed inside. Now the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino are on the right here, and if we walk towards the left by that overpass there, we'd be entering the historic steel pier. It's a huge amusement pier that goes out over the Atlantic Ocean. There's a video on this channel about the steel pier. Actually, I think there's more than one, so check them out if you get a chance. So let's check this bad boy out, shall we? Now, as soon as you walk in and make a left, you're going to hit the Council Oak Steaks and Seafood Restaurant. This upscale eatery offers fine dining in an intimate setting. The menu showcases the Northeast's freshest catches with seafood sourced from local fishermen. Right next to Council Oak Steaks and Seafood is Kuro. Kuro boasts a tempting menu of Japanese specialties. Ingredients are locally sourced or imported directly from Japan, and the menu perfectly balances the flavors of the Far East. And right next to Kuro is Il Mulino. For a taste of classic Italian cuisine, head to Il Mulino, savor quality cuts of meat, fresh pasta, and homemade cheeses. Normally I don't jump right into restaurants when I enter a casino on these videos, but these are right in your face as soon as you walk in on the left, and there's some more restaurants on the right. So we're starting out on the left here. We'll go around a little bit and we'll check out some more restaurants as we go along. Now, I'm here around noon on a weekday, and it looks like these restaurants are closed, and obviously they are closed right now, but they will open a little bit later in the day. If you're hungry right now, you can catch a meal at a casual restaurant or even some fast food here at the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino. I should also make you aware that right now New Jersey has a curfew on all restaurants and bars, not just the ones in casinos, but everywhere in New Jersey, restaurants and bars must close at 10 p.m. So it goes without saying, these casinos pretty much empty out around 10 o'clock. And if you were paying attention, you would have noticed we just passed Yu Yu Noodle Bar. Come to Yu Yu Noodle Bar for fresh noodles and flavorful broths inspired by Asian street food. The dining room is impressive as well, with sleek decor and colorful murals. You know, I've done burger challenges in Las Vegas and starting one here in Atlantic City, but all these casinos have noodle bars, and I think I should do a throwdown on the noodle bar scene as well in both Atlantic City and Las Vegas. So I'm going to put that on my bucket list. We just passed the box office, and there's very little entertainment, if any, here in Atlantic City right now. However, Hard Rock was the first to open up a show. It's called Motor City Live, a Motown Christmas, and it is currently running now through Christmas. It's in their smaller venue, which is called, I think, Sound Waves. They have a much larger venue, and shows aren't scheduled for the A-list entertainers at the large venue until at least March or April. This is actually the front entrance of the hotel and casino, and it's got that iconic electric guitar. Yeah, it's electric, it's not acoustic, hanging from the ceiling. Lots of photos being taken here because it's a perfect photo opportunity. And these stairs go up to the mezzanine level, which has lots of shops and restaurants. This here is the lobby bar. Sip and mingle in the heart of the Hard Rock Hotel. The lobby bar is the resort's social centerpiece, the perfect place to meet up and chill out with friends. This is the check-in area. The VIP check-in is here on the left, and for the rest of us, well, it's here on the right. And everywhere you turn in this building, whether it's the hotel or the casino, you're going to find tons of rock and roll memorabilia. The collection here at the Atlantic City Hard Rock Hotel and Casino is the largest the company has to offer anywhere in the world. And I do have a video on the New York channel dedicated solely to all the memorabilia in this building, so check it out if you're interested. We're not going to go through all the memorabilia in this video. This one's more on the hotel and casino. No stay at any Hard Rock Hotel and Casino would be complete without music in mind, and this hotel has music in mind. One of the things you can do is called tracks, which is where you can put together a playlist and use it to play in your room, in the spa, anywhere you go. It's your personalized playlist. Another option is called Wax, where there would be a turntable in your room with lots of albums and 45s chosen by the hotel, all classic rock and roll stuff, and you can play these albums right there in your room. There's another program called Picks where you can have a Fender electric guitar delivered to your room along with headphones and an amplifier. I'm assuming these rooms are soundproof. And you can just strum away. They also have videos on the television in your room in case you want to learn some chords and stuff like that. This is a Hard Rock store on the left here, and there's several of them throughout the hotel. On the left here is Wentworth Gallery. It's not only artwork of rock stars, but it's also artwork by rock stars. Unfortunately, videoing is not allowed inside, but inside are works created by Paul Stanley from Kiss, Mickey Hart from the Grateful Dead, Rick Ocasek from the Cars, Rick Allen from Def Leppard, and pop icon Peter Max, as well as many others. The Hard Rock Casino has lots and lots of slots, so let's check them out. Maestro? This is the Hard Rock Cafe here at the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino. I had a burger here about a year ago. It was very good. There's a video somewhere on my channel regarding that burger. I really enjoyed it. There's very little dining inside. I think they can seat some people inside, but most of the dining right now is on the boardwalk. It's a little chilly, but they have heaters out there. The hotel does serve inside and outside all year round. I would imagine if it gets cold enough in the dead of winter that they will close the outdoor dining down, and hopefully at that point the state of New Jersey will allow them to up their capacity with regards to seating inside. This motorcycle coming up used to belong to Slash from Guns N' Roses. I want to try to get a shot inside these windows because those guys are grinding up beef from beautifully cut steaks for the burgers here at the Hard Rock. It's a shame to put those beautiful steaks to waste, but they're not really going to waste because just like the burger that I had here, all the burgers are fantastic. This wall is pretty cool. The wall art changes depending upon which side of the wall you're standing at. One side has a concert crowd, and when you stand at the other end, it's some guy named Bruce Springsteen from New Jersey. You might have heard of him. On the left here is the high limit room, and on the right we have some table games complete with the plexi dividers with guitar picks on them. And as we walk through the casino, I'm going to bring up the background sound so you can hear the sounds of the casino. There doesn't seem to be any music playing in the background.
Wait, we're not going yet.
When you come up these escalators, the one with the huge electric guitar overhead, and you make a left, you're going to come across a lot of casual and quick bite eating places, including Chop and Toss, as well as White House Subs. And if we look out these windows here on the left, we can see the front entrance to the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino, including that iconic, huge Hard Rock electric guitar out front. Here we have Pizzata Pizza. This place here is offering up some French macaroons as well as Italian gelato. This is Alexia's all kinds of sandwiches and pastries and baked goods. It smells delicious. This place is simply called Asian Fusion. And this is the Green Bar, all kinds of fruits and vegetable juices. And right next door is a place called Burgers and Chops. This area here, called the Rock Vault, is kind of like an homage to New Jersey artists such as Bruce Springsteen, John Bon Jovi, Debbie Harry, Whitney Houston, lots of others. Of course, they have stuff throughout the building, but this little corner is dedicated to Jersey artists only. And of course, all that goes into detail on that memorabilia video. Lots of shopping up here on the mezzanine, including another Hard Rock store here on the left. This store is called 24K, lots of high-end designer stuff. This is Clarice, the Miss America crown. She's hidden in all my Atlantic City videos. Sometimes she's easy to spot, and other times she can be quite elusive. If you spot her, leave a comment below on the timestamp where you found her, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. On the right here is Legends Lounge. And on the left here is Frailinger's Fudge and Saltwater Taffy, pretty much famous here in Atlantic City. They're not only located here at the Hard Rock Hotel and Casino, they're also on the Boardwalk and several other hotels and casinos in town. This is the Wild Card shop where you use your comp card in the casino, and you might not only get, free meals or free hotel room, but you can also shop in this store with some points you might have earned. This way to the meeting rooms and the hotel buffet. And once you come all the way down to the end of that hallway and past the buffet on the left, you go through these doors and you have the balcony bar, which overlooks the ocean and the boardwalk. And across the way there, you see the steel pier, that big amusement area that goes out over the ocean. And you see the big observation wheel. There's actually a video on this channel of me in that observation wheel. You get beautiful views of the entire city and the ocean as well. And again, I'll put links to these videos that you can find on this channel in the description below. Now, this very long hallway contains banquet rooms as well as meeting rooms, and there's tons of reasons to walk down here, even if you're not going to a meeting or a banquet. As I said earlier, there's memorabilia all over this building, and there's a lot down this hallway, so just head towards the banquet rooms and the meeting rooms, and you'll be amazed at how much memorabilia is down this hallway. And we're going to head down these escalators. On the left and right are outfits worn by Nancy and Ann Wilson from Heart. And we're going to head down here, and this will drop you off pretty much right where we came in at the beginning of the video, the Boardwalk entrance by the casino and the restaurants. Hold on tight. And before we leave, even if you're not a gambler, this is a great place to visit. Maybe have a cocktail, lunch, or dinner, and just check out all the memorabilia throughout the building here. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.